Selena, Class 10, Chapter 21, Trigonometrical Identities. Sum number 10, fifth part. Left hand side is equal to sin A minus cos A into 1 plus tan A plus cot A. Open the bracket. Sin A into 1, sin A. Sin A into tan A, sin square A upon cos A. Sin A into cot A is cos A. Minus cos into 1 minus cos A, minus cos into tan minus sin A, minus cos into cot A is minus cos square A upon sin A. Cos A cancel each other, sin A cancel each other, remains sin square A upon cos A minus cos square A upon sin A. LCM of no LCM. Here we right hand side is this, so we will just inverse, like sin square A is 1 upon cos square A, cos A is 1 upon cos A is sec A, equal to sec A upon cos square A minus same here cosec A upon sec square A equal to right hand side. Sixth part, left hand side is equals to root of sec square A plus cosec square A. Sec square A 1 upon cos square A, cosec square A 1 upon sin square A, the whole root of. LCM of the denominator is sin square A into cos square A. Multiply and divide this term by sin square A, multiply and divide this term by cos square A. Therefore we get sin square A plus cos square A upon sin square A into cos square A. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1 equal to root of 1 upon sin square A cos square into cos square A. Root and square cancel each other, equal to 1 upon sin A cos A. Right hand side equal to tan A plus cot A. Tan A is sin A upon cos A, cot A is cos A upon sin A. LCM of the denominator is sin A cos A, multiply and divide this term by sin A, multiply and divide this term by cos A. We get sin square A plus cos square A upon sin A cos A. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1 equal to 1 upon sin A into cos A. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Part 7, left hand side is equal to sin A plus cos A into sec A plus cosec A. Open the bracket. Sin A into sec A is sin A upon cos A plus sin A into cosec A 1, cos A into sec A 1, cos A into cosec A is cos A upon sin A. 1 plus 1, 2. LCM of this two denominator is sin A into cos A. Therefore, this will be multiply and divide by sin square A, sin A. Therefore, sin square A multiply and divide by cos A plus cos square A upon sin A cos A. Sin square A plus cos square A 1 equal to 2 plus 1 upon sin A into cos A equal to 2 plus 1 upon sin A cosec A 1 upon cos A sec A equal to right hand side. Part 8, tan A plus cot A into cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A. Tan A is sin A upon cos A plus cot is cos A upon sin A into cosec A 1 upon sin A minus sin A sec A 1 upon cos A minus cos A equal to LCM of this two term of this two denominator is sin A into cos A, multiply divide by sin A sin square A plus multiply divide by cos A cos square A. LCM of this two denominator is sin A, so multiply and divide by sin A. We get numerator 1 minus sin square A upon sin A. LCM of this two denominator is cos A, multiply and divide by cos A. 1 minus cos square A upon cos A. Okay. Sin square A plus cos square A 1 upon sin A cos A. 1 minus sin square A cos square A upon sin A. 1 minus cos square A is sin square A upon cos A. Cos square A cancel here. Sin square A is also cancelled. So 1 into 1 is 1. 9th part, Cot square A minus cot square B is equals to cos square A minus cos square B upon sin square A into sin square B equal to cos x square A minus cos x square B. Cot square A minus cot square B is equals to cos square A upon sin square A minus cos square B upon sin square B. LCM of the denominator is sin square A into sin square B. Multiply and divide this term by sin square B. Multiply and divide this term by sin square A. Therefore, we get cos square A into sin square B minus cos square B into sin square A upon sin square A into sin square B. Sin square B 1 minus cos square B. Sin square A 1 minus cos square A equal to cos square A into 1 minus cos square B minus cos square B into 1 minus cos square A upon sin square A into sin square B. Open the bracket. So when we open the bracket, we get cos square A minus cos square A into cos square B minus cos square B plus cos square B into cos square A upon sin square A into sin square B plus minus cos square A cos square B plus cos square A cos square B cancel each other. What remains? Cos square A minus cos square B upon sin square A into sin square B. That first part of proof. Now for second part, cos square A is 1 minus sin square A. Cos square B is 1 minus sin square B. Multiply by minus sign, minus 1 plus sin square B upon sin square A into sin square B. Plus 1 and minus 1 is 0. What remains? Minus sin square A plus sin square B upon sin square A into sin square B. Sin square B into sin square A into sin square B minus sin square A upon sin square A into sin square B. Here sin square B cancel each other. Here sin square A cancel each other. What remains? 1 upon sin square A minus 1 upon sin square B, which is equal to cos x square A minus cos x square B, equal to second part proved. 10th part, left hand side is equal to cot A minus 1 upon 2 minus sec A, sec square A. Cot A is 1 upon tan A minus 1 upon 2 minus sec square A is 1 plus tan square A. Here multiply and divide by tan A. So 1 minus tan A upon tan A, 2 minus 1, 1 minus tan square A. 1 minus tan square A is 1 minus tan A into 1 plus tan A. Numerator is 1 minus tan A into tan A upon tan A. 1 minus tan A cancel each other, equal to 1 upon tan A into 1 plus tan A. 1 upon tan A into 1 upon 1 plus tan A equal to 1 upon tan A is cot A upon 1 plus tan A equal to right hand side, hence proved. Sum number 11. If 4 cos square A minus 3 equal to 0 and A is between 0 and 90 degree, then prove that first part sin 3A equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. What is given? 4 cos square A minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, cos square A is equals to 3 upon 4. Cos A equal to root 3 upon 2. We know cos 30 degree is root 3 upon 2. Therefore, A is equal to 30 degree. Here, left hand side is equals to sin 3A equal to sin 3 into 30, 90 degree. Sin 90 is 1. Right hand side is equals to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A equal to 3 sin 30 minus 4 sin cube 30. Sin 30 is half. Here half the whole cube equal to 3 into half minus 4 into 1 upon 8. 3 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 equal to 1. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Second part, cos 3A equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Left hand side is equals to 3 cos 3A A is 30 degrees. So 3 into 30, 90. Cos 90 is 0. Right hand side is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. 4 cos cube 30 minus 3 cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. So 4 into root 3 upon 2 the whole cube minus 3 into root 3 upon 2. This is 3 root 3 upon 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are. 3 root 3 upon 2 minus 3 root 3 upon 2 equal to 0. Left hand side is equal to right hand side.